Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bobbi Lace and I just got the new Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. I'm sorry that was so quick and so high pitched. I'm normally not this crazy. Jeffree Star just brings it out in me. I don't know. But I'm doing a look on this look right here. It's like purpley, pinky cuteness with like this black glitter right here that has super cute pink and gold reflex in it, and this is called Executioner, honey. So everybody better get right with me today. But if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep watching.
Okay, so I'm starting off my tutorial with Monarchy, which I'm just excited as fuck to even have the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette, mostly because that shit sold out quick as fuck. Okay, and I was waiting, but you know what, I couldn't get it, so it is what it is. But babe came through for me anyways. So this is the shade Royal Pink, and I am massively impressed with literally all of the mattes. Like, I thought his palette with Morphe was really good, but bitch, I was sadly mistaken. Okay? Like, I don't know who I thought I was fucking with, but Jeffree Star is on a different level. In my humble opinion, honey, he is on a different level than most of the other people, okay? And I don't say that lightly. And because you know what? I think drugstore makeup is basically just as good as all of the other makeups. But that's neither here nor there, okay? We came for the Bloodlust palette. So, Royal Pink, it doesn't take very much at all for any of the shades here, okay? Let's just get that out there. Like, there's fallout in almost all pans. So if that bothers you, maybe you shouldn't have such a heavy hand. Okay, I'm coming to Jeffree's defense. Okay. But also, to blend out the pink, I just use Monarchy and Royal Pink, and kind of worked back and forth to get a seamless blend, because I don't always have the best brushes, so it is what it is. And this is the shade Dungeon, and Dungeon is like a dark, cool toned, like, but muted purple. Okay, if you don't know, then look it up or whatever. Like, this is it. And his purples perform extremely well. They swatch well, like literally everything well. Excellent, superb, whatever adjective you want to place in that particular part of the sentence. Anywho, so I go back and forth a little bit with Dungeon and Royal Pink, just to go ahead and get that blended up real nice and good, like clearly using a smaller brush. I believe this is like an e.l.f. crease brush, if I'm not mistaken, but I could be wrong. It could be a Jaclyn Hill brush, but I believe it's an e.l.f. one. And then doing the same thing on the lower lash line most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time, whenever I do a look, it is mimicked what's on the top from the bottom. And I really didn't want to do anything crazy, too out of the box right now, but I definitely did want to use this palette. One, because I just got it, and two, because I really wanted to show you guys, like, this was my birthday look, and like, I just fucking love Jeffree, okay? Let's just put that out there. This is the shade Executioner. I opened the palette and I was like, my eye was immediately drawn to it. Executioner is beautiful, okay? And it does have a, like, it depends on the lighting. It comes off a little bit gold, a little bit pink, a little bit black glittery. It just really depends on the lighting, the angle, all that. But indefinitely, this is a beautiful shade. Like, if I could have got away with just wearing Executioner, I feel like I might have. But it would have took me playing with it a little bit more. Plus, I wanted to use more shades. You feel me? Okay. So basically that's what happened. So I'm using Executioner and Dungeon, mixing them a little bit together, make it look a little bit more seamless. And then I'm going to go back with Executioner, because blending it, Executioner does take away a little bit of the glitter. It mutes it a little bit. And it very well could have been because I did dip back into Dungeon. That Dungeon covered up Executioner. So either way, I'm going back to the glitter so that I can have more glitter on my eye. Okay? Okay. And I did cut out some of the blending because it's frankly quite redundant, actually. But at this very moment, it's not. So there's that. And is that not beautiful? Like, and it goes up, it just writes on your eye like eyeliner. It's beautiful. Like, I should have used that as eyeliner today, honestly. I don't know what I was thinking. But I just went to the mall. I could have did that. Shit. See, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's my happy dance. The oh my god, this fucking eyeshadow is so beautiful dance. Okay. And it didn't get all the way up into my eye, but you know what? We're not entirely sure. It didn't say this is like a vegan palette or whatever. And honestly, I give zero fucks if it's a vegan palette or not, because I'm not vegan, what have you, whatever. More power to those who care. Okay. But I don't really care, but I am going to put just a regular black eyeliner in my waterline, and we're gonna go ahead and call it a day after that. And what I don't call a day, I'm going to explain to you guys here in just a little bit. But this is just a regular Wet n Wild eyeliner, so you can go ahead, use whatever eyeliner you like the best. And one last thing, for my brow bone highlight, I used Beauty Sleep, which it's so beautiful. I accidentally put too much. And that I rarely have to say that with shimmer colors, okay?
Okay, hey everybody. I'm back. Clearly, I did the rest of my face. And the only thing I'm going to do, as far as the lower lashes that you guys didn't see, is I'm going to strengthen up the pink that's on the bottom lash, the royal pink, honey. And I did add a little bit of pink magic in my inner corners. Actually, let me go ahead and let you guys see, like, close up. That's how the look is. And if you're wondering about this highlight, ooh, bitch, the highlight is Wet Jewel. Yep. Yep. Okay, talk about beaming. But there's like little pink, it's like a pink highlight, and it's like white and pink. I love it. So like, I absolutely adore this palette, and on top of that, I love Jeffree Star, and I loved him through all his racist remarks and everything. I don't give a fuck, honey. I don't care. Don't give a fuck. If you're honest about your fuck ups, then I don't care. Okay. But I was gonna do something super cute, and I'm gonna take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, which is kind of like my lip shade, but like better. Oh, and I did put a little bit of Wet Jewel on my Cupid's bow, just, for extraness' sake. Okay, so I have that, and then I have this Belle and Argent, and I don't know. It's just clear, but it has like little glitters in it. But basically it's clear. So I'm going to put this on top of that. Because, I think that the little glitters would, like, look kind of cute in that. But I'm going to take a little bit of wet jewel and stick it at the very tops of my Cupid's bow once again. Just so there's a little bit of pinkness, tied into it. Okay, you guys, I hope everybody saw my swatches of the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. And if you did not, then you're truly missing out. It was a complete and total surprise to me to even get this. My wife got it for me for my birthday. She is a real one. She was paying attention to stupid bullshit that me and my friends talk about, and little did she know that I was going to be so fucking excited to get this palette. I never have had a Jeffree Star Cosmetics product, and I'm super super happy. It's my new baby. Okay. This is my new baby. I was holding it like a baby and like my stuff. But if you're interested in seeing all the swatches for this beautiful palette, then I'm going to leave the link to my Facebook video down below. It's like less than 15 minutes. You guys can watch it at your leisure, honey. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate all of my subscribers. And I would like to give a special shout out to Jamila and Janessa. They're new subscribers of mine, and they're super sweet girls. So thank you guys so much. Bye.